Hello, I'm Tony. Now, let me teach you how to fix the problem of cap out pens. And one, let we find out problem pens of cap out. Okay. Okay. Now we find three problem pens. Two, this is glue. Squeeze out a little glue at inside of barrel. Must be inside. Maybe a half of rice. Maybe half of rice. But you must remember and 2 points glue here and here. Okay, and this is slow drying glue, so you don't worry drying out fast. Now here and here inside of barrel, here and here. Okay, inside of barrel. 3, reassemble the pen. Okay, reassemble the pen and waiting 5 hours for glue drying out. Okay, it's finished.